Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Minecraft, go to Options, right arrow controls, and locate the sneak/shift binding. Once done, test the physical shift key in a text editor to rule out hardware failure. Make sure sticky keys is disabled in your OS accessibility settings. If shift works system-wide, unbind and rebind sneak to left shift inside Minecraft. This isolates game settings from keyboard issues before deeper fixes. Now continue by addressing complex interactions. Disable any mods or clients that remap keys, like macro tools or keybind mods, and restart the game. Then reset controls to defaults and reassign sneak to left shift, or choose an alternate key to verify behavior. Make sure no other action shares shift. Look for shift plus number or shift plus function conflicts. If using Optifine or Fabric mods, check their settings pages. They sometimes override vanilla bindings and need individual adjustment. Finish the process by ruling out hardware and profile corruption. Plug the keyboard into another USB port, try a different keyboard, or reinstall the keyboard driver. Create a fresh Minecraft profile with no mods, launch vanilla, and test sneak. This confirms whether the problem is profile-related. If issue persists, run a key testing utility to log inputs while you press Shift, which shows dropped or duplicate events. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether the problem is OS, driver, or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.